Tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Sa Kalamba.
Are you looking for a place where history, culture, and adventure comes together? A destination that just is beautiful but meaningful? Welcome to Calamba, Laguna, the birthplace of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal! A city where every street tells a story and every smile feels like home. So pack your bags dahil may pupuntahan tayo. Let's discover Calamba!
Our journey begins at historical Sian Calambas. This is where young Rizal grew up, dreamed big, and also become the hero of the day.
As you walk through this house, you're not just visiting, you're stepping into history.
Here at the Calamba clay pot, the Banga.
The name Calamba came from Kalan and Banga. It's a simple understanding that became history.
This giant clay pot reminds us the city's humble beginnings and strong identity.
Here ang Kalamba Museum. You see the city's unique. It stands as proud of symbol of service and progress.
With its unique design and central location, it represents the heart of the city, where leadership meets the vibrant spirit of every Calambeño.
This is St. John the Baptist Parish Church, a place of faith, history, and community where Dr. Jose Rizal was baptized.
Calambas culture is deeply rooted in faith, respect, and strongly family ties. Here, traditions are not just remembered, they are lived every day.
And speaking of living tradition, tara, kain tayo! And syempre, hindi pwede nang alis kung hindi pa naliligman at sikat na pupuntahan.
Fresh from coconut, rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Calamba is also known for local coconut products and handmade goods that show the creativity and hard work of its people.
Dito, bawat produkto may kwento.
At syempre, buhay na buhay ang Luzon. From jeepney drivers to local vendors, you'll see the heart of Calamba in its people. Their hard work and smile make every visitor feel welcome. So why visit Calamba? Because it's more than just a destination. It's where you can walk through history, experience authentic Filipino culture, and taste unforgettable local flavors.
As night falls, Calamba comes alive in a whole new way. Streets glow with colorful lights, music fills the air from talented buskers, laughter echoes as families and friends enjoy the evening, and the taste of flavors from delicious street foods. Come and experience the magic after the dark.
In Calamba, you don't just travel, you belong.
So what are you waiting for?
Tara na sa Calamba!